It's late at night, the market is highly volatile, and you're staring rigidly at a screen, exhausted, deciding whether to cut your losses. Most people assume failure in the markets comes down to a lack of knowledge, that traders simply can't read a chart or don't understand an asset like Bitcoin. But the actual failure happens in a fraction of a second. It's the hesitation, the sudden spike of fear, or the rush of greed, right before clicking the buy or sell button. In those high-pressure financial moments, human biology overrides logical analysis. Cortisol spikes, and you either freeze completely or start frantically overtrading. Having advanced market knowledge drops to zero value when emotional volatility turns calculated execution into pure gambling. Planning a trade when the market is quiet is a calm, rational process. Executing that same trade while prices are crashing in real time is pure chaos. Looking at this statistical breakdown of market participants, you see a massive 90% grouping starkly separated from a successful 10%. That dividing line is the execution gap. To actually survive and cross that gap, you have to find a way to completely amputate human emotion from the execution phase. Step onto the floor of a top-tier proprietary trading firm, and you won't see professionals frantically watching charts or reacting emotionally. They don't try to predict the future based on instinct. They rely entirely on rigid, predetermined systems. Professional trades use 3 specific metrics: an entry, a stop-loss, and a target. The entry connects upward to the target, establishing the mathematical objective. If the setup fails, the price instantly cuts off at the lower stop-loss boundary. Adhering to these 3 strict numbers, trading shifts away from predictive gambling and becomes pure mathematical execution. But attempting to build a system like this from scratch as a retail trader is incredibly difficult. It requires grueling years of continuously backtesting strategies and manually calculating risk across wildly different market conditions. This equity curve shows what traders call a drawdown, a steep, sustained downward trend of systemic capital loss. Sitting through these inevitable periods without abandoning your strategy takes a crushing psychological toll. The true barrier to professional trading is surviving that brutal psychological gauntlet required to build and actually trust the system. Cryptomanden acts as an AI proxy that instantly bypasses those years of painful trial and error. Its primary function is to relentlessly scan both the crypto and stock markets 24 hours a day, searching for professional-grade setups. It strips away all the market noise and delivers clear, unemotional directives straight to your Telegram app. Look at this chat interface. Every signal the AI sends contains the exact entry, stop, and target metrics utilized by top-tier professionals. Cryptomanden does the heavy analytical lifting, allowing you to instantly adopt a professional execution system without enduring the psychological gauntlet yourself. Compared to the chaotic, stressful environment of manual trading, the setup for this tool is completely frictionless. The onboarding takes about 2 minutes. You pick a plan on the website, submit your payment, and instantly connect to the Telegram bot. The professional signals begin arriving immediately, letting you calmly execute those trades directly from your phone from anywhere. And a built-in feature called AutoProtect automatically manages the complex mathematics of risk mitigation, completely behind the scenes. It creates a new kind of agency. The AI provides the strict mathematical suggestion, but you retain absolute control over the final decision to execute. Financial trading will always be difficult, but the physical act of executing a trade no longer has to be. You don't need to be an obsessive chart expert to succeed. You just need the discipline to follow a proven, unemotional system. Cryptomanden provides that structure. It's a tool designed specifically to protect you from your own psychological vulnerabilities. If you're ready to step out of the chaotic majority and into a systematic approach, check out cryptomanden.com or search the Telegram handle to see if it's right for you.